Today we're gonna be making butterfly chicken. If you never have your drumstick like this before, after you watch this video, I want you to go and make some and come back in the comment. Tell me how yours come out. Okay? Usually I make this on the grill outside, but today I'm not doing the grill, okay? Because it looks like it's about to rain and everything. And I don't want to be out there if it started raining. So I'm just gonna make it indoor today. Alright? I'm just gonna butter the pan. Alright guys, so this chicken is already clean. Okay, I already cleaned it, dry it and everything. Now we're just gonna cut it. Hopefully I can do it the right way to make this butterfly chicken. Alright, like that. You have to cut it in half like that. Okay. You want the bone, so we don't want to separate the meat from the bones. So it's gonna be like this. Alright, it's gonna be like this. Like that. So just gonna cut this one open. This is the last one. Now, after you cut this open, now we have to seasoning it. So I'm Haitian, I'm from West Indies, you know, so we like our meat seasoning. So I already prepared the seasoning, and I'm gonna show you guys how. Alright folks, this is the seasoning that I prepare myself. So we're just gonna put it on the chicken now. Alright, so let's go. This is it. Alright, and we're gonna put it right here in the pan like this. Next. Come get it, buddy. Here you go. Almost done. Last one, guys. Last one. Almost done. Well, almost done with this side, the skin side, you know. Alright. Okay. It's nice and juicy. Booyah. So now, we're gonna do this side now, okay? I don't know if you guys can see this, but you got the idea, right? The seasoning on it like this, like that. It's like this and like that and like this and like that, y'all. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. You know what I mean? That's how it is, bro. We're gonna make this chicken, and trust me, this chicken gonna smell so good and it's gonna taste so damn good. If you ever try this, your family gonna love it, and they're gonna ask for it every weekend. Trust me. All right. And when you're doing the seasoning, you can, you know, put whatever you want. You know, whatever that you like your chicken to taste, you can put on it. If you want me to tell you how I make my seasoning, I can make another video to show you how I make my seasoning. And then if you want to follow me, you can do the same thing too. And if you're watching this video, speaking of follow, make sure you follow me. You know, so that way you can always get support the channel. Most importantly, when you follow me, you support the channel. When you subscribe, you support the channel. And when you watch my videos, and you like, you share, you leave a comment. I appreciate it a lot. All right. So now I'm gonna put this in the toaster oven. Okay. I already hit the toaster oven for like look at this, for like 10 minutes now on 350. So let's go. Here we go. It's on the toaster oven. Here it is, guys. Ooh, almost ready. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna turn it over. All right. All right, guys. Look at this. Ooh. We're gonna eat this with some pickles. Yeah. Some pickles. Good to go, my friend. Yeah.